Hey, check out my new buddy Felix. He is the goat, the greatest of all time goat. And he's also one of the goats you can see here at the Somerset County Fair. And along with Felix, I had to bring a few other friends with me as well. This is my friend Elizabeth. And this is one of the celebrities that's going to be at the fair. This is Miss Fair Queen.
Hi.
Guys, thank you so much.
Yes, thank you for having us.
And thank you for bringing along Felix. Not to mention, he's a very friendly goat as well, I should mention.
Yes, he's very calm.
So tell us, what makes this fair so special to people in the community? What can people expect at the fair?
Well, there's the Fair Olympics, which they have ones for clovers, which are like the younger kids, and then they have ones for the juniors and the intermediates and seniors.
Oh my goodness, yeah.
Yeah, I'm an intermediate, she'd be a senior.
Oh, okay.
I think just having so many different events for so many different age groups, just available to everybody, and also being free as well.
Yeah.
And I feel like it's a family aspect that everybody can get along at.
Yeah. And tell us about some of the activities that they have here at the fair, because these are some awesome ones that are really, really unique to Delmarva as well.
Yeah, so like Ellie said, we have the Fair Olympics that kids can participate in. We also have the Grease Pig coming back, which is going to be such a fun event.
So tell us about, you said it's a baseball field. They're letting a pig loose on a baseball field.
Yes.
Is it going to be running the bases? Like, is it going to be sliding?
No, we just let the pig free, then the kids go and run after it and try to pick up the greasy pig.
And then they have the greased watermelon, which the clovers, juniors, and seniors can do. And basically, you grease up your arms like what you do with the greased pigs, but it's with a watermelon, and you try to carry watermelon.
Oh my god! So I got to ask you this about the grease pig. How long does it take to catch a greasy pig?
Well,
how long does that take?
This is the first time that we've actually had it back in a while. So I'm really interested to see how long it's going to take everybody to catch that grease pig.
Well, for me at my speed, it would take me a couple hours.
It would take me,
by the time
me a
the
while.
sun set, I'd be like, where is that pig? Let me find that pig.
The pig would be out of the baseball field by then.
Yeah, exactly. He'd be running the bases, 10 times full.
Yes.
So. What are some other activities?
The watermelon eating contest.
Watermelon eating contest.
I can't. Every year I've never been able to do it though, because I have shows, and that's another part of the fair is the showing livestock. They show cows, pigs, goats, bunnies, chickens, and more animals.
Yes.
Every farm animal.
Yes.
And Miss Fair Queen, let me ask you this. There's also a contest, right?
Yes.
For the fair.
Yes,
for the queen position.
Tonight, actually on Tuesday night, July 22nd, we'll be having our Little Miss, Little Mister, Junior Miss, and Miss Fair Queen contest.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
And very exciting.
What's the criteria?
Yeah, so the Miss actually have an interview. All the contestants have an opening number, just a little dance performance before. The Littles have talent and evening gown. The Little Misters have talent as well. And then the Juniors have Western wear and evening gown and a fishbowl question. And then, like I said, the Miss have interview. They have casual wear, evening gown, and then their final question as well.
Yeah, that's exciting. And the winner for this is going to be announced at the fair?
Yes, she'll be announced that night, Tuesday night, and she'll be at the fair all week and all weekend long.
Oh my goodness, that's exciting. That's exciting. And I'm sure a lot of competition. I'm sure people are getting ready for these amazing activities here at the fair.
Yes, we're so excited. We're so ready.
I'm excited just hearing this thing. I mean, I got to get ready for this pig catching contest here.
I better see you there.
I better wear better shoes here. I'm wearing my dress shoes. I'm going to need some sneakers running around this baseball field. Guys, we appreciate it so much.
Thank you so much for having us.
I'm going to send you guys back in the studio.
It sounds like a lot of fun. And Elizabeth told James that the Shaving Cream Wars event was a big hit at the fair last year, and it is back by popular demand.
Okay, I really want James to chase that greased pig.
I think that would be entertainment.
I think we're going to have to put that on his list of things to do. We will have a full schedule of the events happening at the Somerset County Fair starting today through Sunday on our website. Just click on what's happening today.